Are you tired of missing out on quick profits in trading? What if I told you that in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal a powerful scalping strategy using 2 free TradingView indicators that could change your trading game forever? Hello, welcome to my channel. It's better not to waste time and go straight to the chart. After selecting your symbol, go to the time frame section and set your time frame to 5 minutes. Now head over to the indicators section and type radius trend in the search box. Once you find it, click on it to add it to the chart. This indicator doesn't require any specific changes in its settings. We use this indicator to identify trends in the market. When the color of this indicator is blue and the candles are above it, we consider the trend to be upward. In cases where the candles are below this line and the color of this indicator turns red, we consider the trend to be downward. You know that in uptrends, you should look for buy signals, and in downtrends, you should look for sell signals. Now we need to increase the win rate and accuracy of this strategy. For this, we can add another indicator to the chart. Just go back to the indicators tab and type UT bot alerts in the search box. Find it and click on it to add it to our chart. Now just go into its settings and replace the numbers and values you see with the default values of this indicator. This indicator generates entry signals for trades, which helps us save time. We can enter a buy trade upon seeing a buy signal and enter a sell trade upon seeing a sell signal. Now that I have introduced you to 2 indicators, I need to teach you how to enter a trade. But before that, I want you to like this video and definitely subscribe to the channel so you can stay updated on the new strategies I post. Let's start with a buy order. First, we need to look for a buy signal on the chart, which you can see here. After that, we need to make sure that we are in an uptrend. When these 2 conditions are met, we understand that we have found a suitable entry point for the trade. Now we should set our stop loss a little below the last swing low. Now we can enter the buy trade and we can consider our risk to reward ratio to be 1 to 1.5 and wait for the trade to close with a profit. For a sell order, we should first look for a sell signal. After that, we need to ensure that we are in a downtrend. When these 2 conditions are met, we understand that we have found a suitable entry point for the trade. Now we just need to set our stop loss a bit above the last swing high. Now we enter the sell trade, and for our take profit, we consider our risk to reward ratio to be 1 to 1.5 and wait for our trade to close with a profit. Well, as you can see, we were able to create a powerful strategy using these 2 simple indicators from TradingView website, which helps us both identify market trends and find good entry points for our trades. Remember, you can use these indicators separately or combine them with other indicators. This way, you can create a more diverse scalping strategy. Don't forget that if you want to make good profits in a short amount of time, you should definitely watch these 2 videos that I recommend. Until the next video with another scalping strategy, goodbye.